Welcome back, everyone. My name is Tony, and I changed the channel name to Tony Fix It because that's what I do. I fix it. This is for all the wannabe exhaust guys out there. Stop removing the factory hangers. Just stop. If you have a factory hanger and it's not damaged, leave it there. If the factory hanger is missing, you're better off just ordering it and putting it on, or finding a close aftermarket match like I have here. Let me just show you. I save all the factory hangers to reuse them in the future when I need them. So when you buy certain new exhaust systems from the dealer, they come with all the new hangers. This is complete garbage and says, I do not know how to do exhaust system work. Complete garbage. All they needed was the one factory hanger up there to do this job. They put unnecessary holes in the body to do this job. Now you can see that actually we're going to redo it. I will reuse the OEM hangers. These are the OEM sections, they patch that in. You are not an exhaust guy. Do not take the factory hangers out.